Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by creating the repository locally and making your first commit so Git tracks your work. Create a project folder, open a terminal, and run Git in it. Once done, add the files you want with git add, and make a clear first commit using git commit m initial commit. Make sure your Git user, name and user, email are set so your identity appears correctly on GitHub. This gets you from nothing to a tracked, committed snapshot ready to connect to GitHub. Now link your local repo to the remote and transfer the code. On GitHub, create a new empty repository and copy its remote URL. Back in your terminal, add it as origin with git remote add origin URL. Once added, push your branch using git push u origin main or master depending on your branch name. The U sets up stream for future pushes. If prompted, authenticate via SSH key or GitHub credentials. After pushing, you're finished by verifying the repository on GitHub and configuring any needed settings. Open the repo page to confirm files and commit history, add a README or license if you skipped them earlier, and protect branches as required. If you run into auth errors, stop and confirm your SSH key is added to GitHub or generate a personal access token for HTTPS. Re-authenticate and retry git push. When sync issues occur, run git status and git log to see local changes and perform merges or rebases to resolve differences.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.